Your desktop will look like this. Firstly, hide all the icons on the desktop. Now we will download the wallpaper, so head towards the link in description and download this from here. After downloading, navigate to your image and set it as wallpaper. Now, we will download Rainmeter, so go to link and download it from here. Now, go to second link and download Northwest Rainmeter Skin. Now install the Rainmeter. Unload all the skins. Install the Rainmeter Skin as shown. You can also change the name here. So it's done. Enjoy your clean, minimal and cool desktop. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.